Hi, in this video we are demonstrating Mathemagician's capability to import custom problems using the OCR technology. From here you can see we have a handwritten equation for your homework, and here Mathemagician equipped with the capability to scan it. Just take a shot. There we go, you see. Now this problem is inside the Mathemagician, and we can solve the homework from here. We can do it like break the parentheses, calculate this. That doesn't look right. Let me come back to the first step. Let's do it this way. Here we go.